Fresh air, green surroundings, a sudden quiet pause, and a city that never stops shouting. Nestled between the smog-heavy streets of Lawton and the historic banks of the Pasig River lies a survivor, Arroceros Forest Park, often called the last lungs of Manila. This isn't just a park. It is a 2.2-hectare miracle, but to understand the shade we enjoy today, we must first remember the heat of the struggle. During 2006 to 2010, the sound of chainsaws shattered the silence of Arroceros as more than 6,000 trees were cut down to make a way for a DepEd school building. Concrete replaced sections of fertile soil, weakening the park's ability to absorb rainwater and to cool the city. A one-stick canopy was torn open, habitats disappeared, and Manila's last lung suffered from one of its greatest wounds. From 2011 to 2017, Arroceros remained under threat as urbanization and expired conservation agreements placed the forest at risk of redevelopment. In 2017, plans for a university gymnasium endangered the park once again, but growing public awareness strengthened support for protecting one of Manila's last urban forests. Furthermore, from 2018 to 2019, citizens, students, and environmental groups united through the hashtag Save Arroceros campaign to stop new construction plans. The movement gained over 200,000 signatures, proving that the forest's environmental value was more important than further urban development. From 2020 to 2022, Arroceros achieved a major victory when Ordinance Number 8607 was declared. That made the forest park permanent. Restoration projects improved the park's biodiversity and facilities, and in 2022, it reopened as a symbol of resilience and environmental hope in Manila. Finally, from 2023 to 2026, Arroceros grew into a thriving urban sanctuary connected to the Pasig River Esplanade with increasing visitors, improved greenery, and stronger flood and heat reduction benefits. The forest became a lasting reminder that nature can still flourish in the middle of the city. Based on its atmosphere, Arroceros stands as a powerful natural defense against the rising heat and pollution from the city. Its dense canopy of trees cools the surroundings, filters harmful pollutants from the air, and continuously releases oxygen, creating a cleaner and healthier space within the city. As one of the few remaining green sanctuaries in Manila, the park serves as a living reminder of nature's ability to restore balance amidst rapid urbanization.
Turning to its lithosphere, the forest reflects a story of resilience and recovery, once threatened by land conversion and infrastructure development. The soil of Arroceros is now protected and sustained by thriving vegetation and careful conservation efforts. The land remains stable, fertile, and permeable, allowing it to support plant life while preventing erosion and excessive surface runoff in the middle of a heavily built environment. Examining its biosphere, Arroceros has evolved into a flourishing ecosystem rich in biodiversity. Thousands of trees, native plants, birds, and other forms of urban wildlife now inhabit the park, transforming it a once endangered green space into a vibrant sanctuary of life. The return and preservation of these species highlight the importance of protecting natural habitats even within densely populated cities. Finally, with regard to its hydrosphere, the park plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and reducing flood risk in Manila. Its vegetation and absorbent soil naturally capture rainwater, helping regulate water flow and lessen the burden on urban drainage systems. Situated near the Pasig River, Arroceros continues to serve as a natural buffer against flooding while contributing to a more sustainable and climate-resilient city.
20 years ago, we almost let this land collapse, but through the will of the people and the resilience of the earth, Arroceros fought back. Today, it stands as a proof that even in the densest concrete jungle, life finds a way. This forest is more than a green space. It is a living example of the SDG 11, creating a healthier and more livable city. It answers the call of SDG 13 by cooling the air and protecting us from environmental threats. It protects biodiversity through SDG 15, giving life a place to thrive. It supports clean water systems under SDG 6, filtering and defending our rivers, and most importantly, it exists because of SDG 17, a reminder that when people come together, change becomes possible. And that shows how great Arroceros Forest Park is. It fought back for us to breathe, so visit it, protect it, and breathe in it.